Hi everyone, welcome to the PowerPoint presentation session. I am Robinson, Department of Social Science, Bharidasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to start a new lesson, Outbreak of World War I and Aftermath. World War I was the first industrial war. There were three major empires were shattered by the end of the World War. They are known as Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottomans. The biggest outcome of the World War I is Russian Revolution. For the first time in history, countries tried to bring about world peace through the League of Nations. It shows that end of the World War, League of Nations was formed. Scramble for colonies. Capitalist countries race for markets. There were surplus wealth used to build more factories, railways and steamships. There were revolution in means of communication and transportation. Telegram, telephone, telegraph. So these are the communications which was helped during the time of World War I. At the same time, transportation, railway is played a very important role. Capitalist leads to a number of contrast in world. It created two group of people. One is extreme poverty and another one is extreme wealth. So one group of people lived in poverty line and another group of people enjoyed the extreme wealth. In second point, there were slums was created and skyscrapers. Europeans became a dominated people while the Asia and Africa they became colonized one. Rise of monopoly capitalists. After 1870, the alliance of industry and finance seeking profit in markets for goods and capital. The old ideas of free trade collapsed. There were trusts in the USA and cartels in Germany. What does mean by trust? A trust is an industrial organization engaged in the production or distribution of any commodity. Such kind of organization was established in USA. And what is the meaning of cartel? It refers to an association based upon a contractual agreement between enterprises in the same field of business. The objective was to exercise a monopolist influence on the market. Imperialism and its essential characteristics. First of all, we have to know that what is meant by imperialism. Imperialism is nothing but it is in Latin word. In Latin word it is called imperium, which means power in English. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. So altogether, capitalism leads to an imperialism. Capitalism has a number of characteristics. It needed raw materials like rubber, oil, nitrates, sugar, cotton and tropical fruits. Imperialism was not just about colonies. It became the total system of militarization and total war of First World War. Rivalry of great powers. Most of the capitalists they were in the continent of Europe. They wanted to capture a number of countries. They need number of markets. So in the year of 1880, Asia was colonized by the European continent people. In the year of 1891 to 1914, Africa was totally colonized. After the 1870 only, Germany entered into and capturing colonies. Why? Because after 1870 only, Germany was unified. At that time only, England, Belgium, France, Italy, they were joined for scramble for colonies. Clashes amongst great powers. England was not satisfied with vast empire. It has a huge empire under its control, even though it is not happy with its empire. Germany and USA produced cheaper manufactured goods. It creates a number of clashes between England, Germany and USA. It leads to frequent clashes in Asia and African continent. Asia, the rise of Japan. Among Asian countries, Japan is the only country was developed country during World War I. What is the reason behind this? Meiji era. Meiji is nothing but it is a name of the ruler. During 1867 to 1912, he ruled Japan. Japan imitating Western nations, and it took an Western education and machinery. With modern army and navy, Japan had emerged as an advanced industrialized power. With the support of modern army and modern navy, Japan wanted to expand their territories. So in the year of 1894, Japan declared war on China. It is also called Sino-Japanese War. In this war, China was defeated by a small nation, Japan. This is not liked by the Russia, Germany and France. These three countries raised their voice against the German activities. So they warned. Even though Japan annexed the Liaotang Peninsula with Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Russia wanted to stop the advantages of Japan. So, Japan was tried to control by the Russia. Russia sent a huge army to stop the actions of Japan. It creates another war among Russia and Japan. It is called Russo-Japanese War. It was in this Russo-Japanese War, Russia was defeated by Japan. And then only Japan entered into a charmed circle of great powers. Now, Japan also became as the strongest nation in Asia. The next topic is strong armed diplomacy of Japan. In the year of 1905, Japan took Korean domestic and foreign policy. In that time, Japanese people appointed diplomats, but this is not liked by the Korean people. So that diplomat was assassinated by the Koreans. This is not liked by the Japanese people, so they declared a war and they annexed the whole Korea in the year of 1910. In that time only the Manchu dynasty is nothing but the rulers of the China. They are not strong enough, so Manchu dynasty started to decline. In the year of 1912, Japan demanded China to surrender Manchuria. Manchuria is a very fertile land which belongs to China. So when Japan demanded Manchuria, in that time again the clashes started. Japan demanded not only Manchuria, it demanded German rights in Shantung to Japan. So Shantung is a place was under the control of Germany. Now this time Japan needed that places under its control. Colonization and its fallout. In 1876, just 10% of Africa was under the European rule. But in 1900, the whole Africa was colonized by the European people. African continent divided among Britain, France and Belgium. In China, sphere of influence was established by the Germany. In that time only, Japan took over Korea and Taiwan. Here you have to know that Taiwan are also called as an Formosa. France captured Indochina places. Indochina places consist of Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. So these are the places were under the control of France. USA took place from the Spain. The place is nothing but Philippines. In that time, Britain and Russia, the world's greatest powers, they are agreed to partition Iran. France tried to conquer Algeria and Senegal, but in the beginning of conquering the Algeria and Senegal, France faced a failure. British also lost the Zulus and Sudanese army. Italy was defeated by Ethiopian army at Adowa. Thank you.